Well, this is what we woke up to this morning on the homestead. A lot of snow. Look at this. What do you think, there, little guy? Yeah, we get a real good dump every now and then, and I'd say this is definitely a good dump. We got a little bit of snow for New Year or Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. And even the valley melted. But my husband, here's his tracks. He got up early this morning, and I think he's got the tractor out. That's what it looks like. In order for us to get out our driveway this morning and go to church, he's right away out there plowing. There's the house up there. And yeah, we have a winter wonderland this morning. Wow. It'll be interesting to see what the valley got. They had storm warnings all day yesterday. Montana was supposed to get hit pretty hard, the Kootenays. And then over here where we are, they actually changed it. They said we were only supposed to get about 3 inches, and this is well over 3 inches, as you can see. This is a lot of snow. But it's pretty. And I don't hear him, so this concerns me. All right. I'm just going to keep on walking down that long tractor, so it's still running. That's a good sign. But who knows? I hate to come around this corner. Oh, that don't look good. Got tractors and all this going around. What do you want me to do? It's so slippery, those chains aren't even working. There goes the plow. I was wrong. He's here today. Tighten up those chains. I can't believe the plow actually came on Sunday.
Well, why wouldn't he?
Well, I thought he only came on
Stacy.
Somebody said on the mill. Well, that's what they said.
County workers work 24/7.
Careful.
I'll do that.
All right, we're gonna go up the driveway. Come on, Sprig. Let's go back home. Let's go back home. Got the chains on. That was good timing. Wow, yeah, this is icy right underneath there. The whole base is really slippery ice. Here comes the plow. Plowman. Oh boy. I didn't think he could go that fast with it. He's booking along. Look at that. It's those chains. Is it working? There you go. Good. Oh, that's why he's going so fast. He's not plowing. All right, but that's our setup. The back blade. And people may ask why you don't have a front blade. I don't know, we got a bucket instead. So, I don't know, you have to ask my husband that question. Yeah, this is really, really heavy snow. So now he's got the four-wheeler out, trying to shovel some of this by hand, and oh, it's hard. So, we got the old four-wheeler with a plow on it too. That'll make easy trails. With that plow in the front. It always pays to be well versed. Tractor with back blade, four-wheeler with a plow. What else we need now? We just need our truck needs a plow. But it's not in the budget yet. But look at the snow. What do you think, brothers, huh? What do you think, brothers? So, as he's down there tootling around with the four-wheeler, I am going to head out with my snowshoes up on the mountain trail and try to break trail so the dogs have some place to run around. Yes, these dogs are spoiled. They're already waiting for me. So there's some deep snow. But that's where I'm heading. I'm heading up. Probably gonna be really pretty out there, but I foresee a lot of snow already. But once I break a good trail, see, look at that. Once you break a good trail, then you got it. So dogs are doing. You guys are doing great. This is some deep snow for you guys. Oh, I got all the snowballs off you too, didn't I? Ah, that looks good. Through my own trails. Yeah, this firms up. This is gonna be perfect. Professional. We're gonna be skiing out in the field too. Oh, out of control. There you go. Oh, this is a little bumpy. Yeah.
Drag this thing on there a few times.
We have lots of trails.